Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm coming on here to do a haul video. You should probably realise that over the last little while I've been quite keen on doing journaling, and I watched a lot of people go and buy these really good things to journal with and I couldn't ever find anything. Anyway, mouthful of water, and I'm sorry, my tummy just growled. I'm so sorry about that. I've been sick, as you know, but on Saturday something was saying, Sonia, you have to go up to the showground to that thing, that sale. You have to go, Sonia. No, I don't feel like it. I'm talking to myself over it. No, come on, you got to go. You got to go. So I thought, oh, okay, right, I'll do it, you know. I'm going to be sitting down all the way up there, you know, driving around on my gopher so I can manage this. Anyway, I think this would be interesting to people that actually journal, because I could not believe what I found. I was absolutely wrapped. Now, this is probably not as old and exciting as what, you know, some of these are. I got all these books that I'm going to show you for $6. I paid $6 for the lot, okay? And they've still got more up there. Now, this is actually a book that was printed in 1987, okay? And it has got all these bits. Look at the pictures. Look at the bits and pieces that's in here that I can cut out to put in my junk journals. Look at that. Okay, and of course I'm going to use a lot of fabric in these as well, but these, I hope I'm not flicking through this too far, but I have a big pile of things here, and it's so exciting. I've got all these beautiful pages and books and things, okay? So there's number one. This one here is a collection of birds, this one here. Now these were from a deceased estate in a small town not far from where I live, but these have got all these old pictures of the birds, okay, and I can hope you can see this. Now, not every one of them's absolutely ducky, but you know what, it's going to be fine. I can pick out what I like, but they're old pictures, and they're, you know, good for any vintage you know, journals that people want to do. Right, then I got a whole heap of kids books. Now this is Ollie the elephant, and the person's name is in there, but it doesn't have their last name, so I think they'll be fine. But look at this. This is an elephant. It does have a monkey in it. I'm not a very big fan of monkeys. I don't know why. Look at the pictures. Aren't they pretty? Aren't these nice pictures? And they're very old. This very old book. So, there's that one. Then I got here, this says, wait a minute. No, I won't put that one up there because it's got a lady's name in it, and I don't want to do that. This one here has two, but you don't know who that is. Look at the pictures in this. Look at these. Isn't that cool? Look at the pretty pictures of a nice bird. Nice pictures. Okay. Really nice. Really old kids' books. Children. Another one. Playmates. And these got really nice pictures in that I can cut out or use or whatever, if I want to do anything with these. There's a quick look at that. We have a fair few here, so if you're bored now, you might as well go away. But otherwise, hang around with me. I've got lots to go. These are all right, I suppose. This come from one of the school libraries, I think. These have got nice little kids things in them. Oh, I hope you can see this properly. I don't want to be redoing this. It'll be scary for me. I'm terrible at redoing things. I don't like it at all. Some of these are really good. Some of them are not so smashing, but I intend to put a few little poems and all the little stories into some of the books that I do, I hope. This one here is a Disney characters, and it's got a lot of you know, the usual cartoons, Sleeping Beauty, all that cartoons. They are cartoons, but they're Mickey Mouse, and you know, different ones in that. So that's really cool because that's got some really nice pictures in. This one here now I think is a bit older. And this is the bunny book. Look at the pit. Isn't that cool? Isn't that nice pictures? Isn't that nice pictures? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that neat? I really do like them. I don't know what to do yet, but I'm finding it. I will find it. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? And you know what? There's heaps more up there. And I know the lady quite well. I know a lot of them up there. And I said, Betty, if you throw any of those away between now and the next time I come back here. Oh dear. Look at it, isn't it? Aren't they nice? Really, really old vintage book. And they smell too. Like, not bad, but you know, like an old vintage book. Okay? Now, I also got a lot of music pages, and this is a Christmas one. It's 4 shillings. And I don't know how old this one is, but that was a while back. They had shillings about, you know, in Australia. Okay, so I got that one, and that's just, well, that's got, you know, your Christmas carols and things in it like that, and also some colouring in on the other side page, so I won't be using that. I'm trying to put this back in the cupboard behind me because I want to be able to get out of here when I move. I'll just leave it there now. This one here is The Secret of Scene Painting. This is about where they do, I'll show you them in a minute, you know, for acting and stuff like that. But I like the paper. I do like the paper, and there's some nice bit of drawings and pictures and things in here, so I didn't mind that one. That was okay. So that was that one. This here is pieces out of the books, because Betty said to me, all the books have got bits of paper. So I said, keep the paper too. Don't throw the pieces of paper away. So this is from 1951, this piece, and it has, you know, bits of writing, and it's from the World Book of Broadsheet. So this is from August 1951. Haven't read it, got no idea what it's about. This is a piece that was in there for somebody's for buying the books. This is a thing that was in there from, you know, getting a subscription to it, I think. There's another bit there, a little one of those things. There's another piece here. These are all in these books there, and I told her, oh, I love them, so she just gave them to me. And I said, don't you throw any of them away. This is from 1940, this here. It's something to do with the war. Here's another piece with journaling and things in it about whatever. I haven't read it yet. They're really old, and, well, when I say that, I could age myself too, if that makes me really old too. But anyway, so that was those ones. Then this has got Little Red Riding Hood, and this was 3 and 6. A lot of these belong to a lady by the name of Carolyn. And this thing here, it took me ages to figure out what was going on with this, but it seems like it changes. I don't know. But anyway, that was that bit. What else? That's stuck together, kind of. I think I'm just sort of partial to the. There's a nice picture there. The cover's really nice. And that's a nice picture on the cover there, isn't it? Anyway, so then I have this one here. And this is real. Look how old that is. Don't have to dirty that up. What do you call it? You know, when you put the ink on it. Oh dear, you don't make it scruffy anyway. And these have got more. Oh, there's 2 more there. More paper with songs. This one here's got the lady's name on the front, so I better just. I'll show you what we can see. Music paper's music paper, isn't it? So we'll be able to use some of this. Actually, there's a great big box of this, a great big box. So whether I will get more or not, I don't know. But there is a great big box of music there. This is 4 shillings, this one. And I'm showing it to you upside down, and I'm sorry about that, but look at that. Isn't that awesome? Oh, really cool. Another music one. Another music one. All this paper is going to be already distressed or whatever, so I don't have to worry about doing that, do I? Here's another piece. Oh, there's songs on that on the back there, is it? Yeah. And another one, and another one. So that's all music ones. Right, which I won't ever need any another piece of music paper, will I? This one here is about it's a complete book of carpentry. I said to my husband, look, you can build us a house. To which his response was, you know, what are you talking And so there, look, isn't that nice? Yeah, I did. No, he wasn't amused with that at all. He didn't think it was a good idea at all. But this book shows you everything you need to know about building a house. You know, way back in the old days, it's got all these old pictures and all really nice to put in journals. Hey, all these pieces, yeah, really nice for journaling. Okay, so that was that one there, and I think I have another one for journaling. I think for building a house. This is no, this is not. This is a natural. I must have put it somewhere else. This is natural history. This one says natural history. Okay, so I meant natural. It's about everything, nature, and got birds and fish and lots of beautiful flower pictures that I really like. And I'm probably flying through this too fast for you, but I need to get it done. But these things I've got now, I love to cut out, but I don't. I'm going to have to work out what I'm going to do and what I'm going to put where, and you know, look at these old pictures, these old flowers. Isn't that cool? I don't know how old this book is. It's 1 or 2 days, I think. Because look at the cover on it. We haven't got a thing here, have we? Okay. No, it's not going to tell me. Oh yeah, what's copyright 1952? But that was then. Is that how old this is? It could be. It could be 1952. Nice pictures, really nice images on that. Yep, I do like that one. And then I've got this one with these really cute rabbits in it. Really cute rabbits. They look a lot like the other ones in the other book, don't they? Like bunny pictures. Nice, isn't it? I hope you can see this. And then I've got this one here with my book of fairy tales and fables. And this has got some really nice pictures and images in this, like these. Really good words too. You can see them for miles, these big words, so that's good. But I just really like this storybooks, and isn't that nice? Pretty, eh? I hope you can see what I'm showing you here. Okay. Now, if you're still watching, I've still got a couple more things. Just let me show you a couple more things I got the other day. But yeah, that was the big books that I got. I think that was all of them. I couldn't say for sure. I was in one of the shops that sell bits and pieces. What are you called? It was our local church charity shop. It was. And I said to the lady, "Have you got any cards? Any old cards?" She said, "Oh no, I don't think so." And I said, she said, "I'll just go out the back and have a look and see what we've got." So anyway, she came out and she had a box full. She said, "But I can't sell them to you," she said, "because I'm not allowed to put a price on things." I thought, well, that's really weird. Isn't that weird? But anyway, so I got these out. She fished me these out of the box. So I was really pleased about this. There's these tags there, those two. Because these things are not, you know, they're a little bit old, so I'm really happy about that. And there's another one, which is for you. There's a Garfield. There's even an envelope, and in here there's a tiny little card. Look at that, isn't that pretty? You know, and you can go into something. These ones here, there was a few of these. They're all the same. You remember you during your illness, but I suppose I could put something else over the top of them because I just wanted them because they were oldish looking. Hey, and I've got a few of these as well. And then I got envelopes for them, so that was good. That's another thing about this thing. Then I've got that one there. Isn't this? This isn't interesting. Look, the card in there is seeds. The seeds in that. You put sunshine in my garden, greeting seeds, and you have to open that. And I don't. We'll cut it along there, but we're not going to because the seeds are still in there. Isn't this pretty? This is another. This is like a card, or it's only a thin piece of paper, but I do like that image there. Isn't that nice? And I've got that one, and then there was all these envelopes because there was paper to go with this. So I had that one. Something that fell in there. This is all embossed. This one, nice. And there was this one here. This is not so old. Maybe none of them are that old, but they're different and they look pretty good to me. So I was really keen to have these as well. So, and they can go into some of the things that I'm doing. I also managed to pick up a whole heap of stamps. Like I say stamps. They're from off of envelopes, and I don't know where I put those today. A book full I got. A whole book full, and I just took them all out of the book and I've got them in the bag here somewhere. But anyway, so that's what I've been doing, and I'm not going to go to a shop that sells bargains for quite some time now. Keeping away. Alright, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.